Internet not working on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix internet not working on Instagram problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, swipe down notification bar and then turn on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off flight mode. Now go to Play Store. Tap on Search app and search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps if available any update version. After completing update process, now find Instagram, long press on Instagram apps and then open Instagram app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now go to storage option, tap on clear cache. Now go back, tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, now go to Instagram and see problem solved successfully. If still you are facing this problem, then uninstall Instagram apps and reinstall again. Hopefully this method will fix your problem.